Today's adventure, we are in Custer State Park, South Dakota. We just got in, so we haven't seen any wildlife yet.
The buffalo are dangerous. Should not approach them, right?
Bison.
Bison.
To be specific. Right after we said that, we saw our first buffalo, Bison, and he's a big boy.
I'm gonna walk down there, get an up close. Just kidding, everybody. I'm not walking down there.
She did say I think I might get out and approach.
Already used that one.
That will be dangerous, Daddy.
Oh,
Right, buddy.
thank you, buddy. Good thinking.
Come on. Let's go.
Why? Oh, no. Listen, they're way over there. They can't touch you. We're in the truck. You just shouldn't walk over by them. But you're not in any danger right there. And if they came over, I'd roll up your window or I'd just drive away.
I don't want you to drive away.
I would think that's a bird just by the noise. You want to try it? That's a big horned sheep.
And that's
Oh.
cold.
Cool.
And that's another cold. That's okay.
Very cool. Yeah.
Wanna have a picnic?
Oh, I wish. We're sitting here having a picnic, and I make the comment to the kids. I said, "Do you think I can jump over that creek?" Right over here. Sarah starts cracking up laughing. Let's go check out this creek, because I think I can do it. No problem. Yeah, it's a little bigger than I thought. I could probably make it to the middle. Should I do it? Did you dump them? You seen anything, buddy?
We saw the wall.
The road. All right, day one of Custer State Park. We did the wildlife loop. Got to see a lot of bison. We took another nice scenic ride. Went to the visitor center, which is a So we might be going back tomorrow. We're definitely going back at least one more time, maybe more than that.
A 7-day pass is $20 and an annual pass is $37. Right?
Yeah, I know the week pass is 20 for sure.
It's in the
annual,
30s.
not sure.
It's not past 40.
Yeah, we have a surprise for you guys.
We're going at the park,
Yeah.
but there are people there too.
Yeah, there's a lot of people. It's Storybook Island. It's all the books we read. It's stuff you get to play on. You want to do it or you want to go home?
I want to do it.
You sure?
Yeah.
That's the castle.
You pull this one, pull the dig it down part, and then you pull it up, jump it.
Whoa.
Cool, huh? It's a little heavy. All right, River's gonna do it too.
Your hat looks huge.
Awesome. This place was kind of a afterthought, and this turned out to be really awesome. It's free to get in, they accept donations. It's open every day of the year. Making videos, you really notice what words you say a lot or phrases. And I've noticed super cool is one of my go-tos. If I like something, it's super cool. An echoey one. Hey! Megan's favorite animal in the world, and the very important storybook bus stop.
Look at this cool tunnel.
Ooh, yeah, I'll come with you. Ooh, it goes all the way through.
I love this.
Hi.
Sure. Oh, you guys didn't see who's on the roof.
Ooh. Oh man.
Come over here. Look up. Who's up there? It's the big bad wolf. No. Closed. Oh. Well, hey guys, there's a whole nother section over here. Look at this whale. I think you could go inside the whale's mouth. I left my money in the car and the kids wanted to ride the train. You have to pay. I went to get it, and by the time I got back, the train was already closed. Carousel's closed. My bad. Oh no! I just told them they could go in the whale. That's blocked off. What's that? 0 for 2 for me? Look at that. Ready, Nora? Here we go. Look at Mommy. Show her.
But look at Mommy.
Oh, Reagan, you're on Boomerang.
What am I on?
You're on Grayson's horse.
Are you Grayson?
Storybook Island. Sarah, do we recommend Storybook Island?
Very much so. It is super cool, you guys. It's free, which is amazing. And it's huge. There's like so much to do. Yeah. I would say it's geared for kids that are like 2 to 10.
Yeah.
2 to 5, 6 is probably perfect. And then getting up to 10 is, there's a few things that they wouldn't find cool. The kids had a blast. We were there for about 2 hours, right?
Yeah, it was great.
We left when they were closing, so we probably would have stayed longer if it wasn't closing.
We had like no expectations of this place. It was free. We're like, okay, we'll go see what it is. Way above our expectations.
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Do you want to go back?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Hey guys, we're at Rapid City, and on every corner there are life-size presidents. There's 43 of them to be exact, and they're pretty cool. Come check them out with us. guys, we're in downtown Rapid City, and on each of the corners.
Guys, get this. We're walking around the RV park and we come up. Sarah looks over and she says, "Oh, that's your truck. Someone's got a truck just like yours. And it's lifted." I thought she was joking. She was serious. It was our truck. She thought it was somebody else. She doesn't even know where we're at. All right, guys. We'll see you
At Storytime Island. Storybook Island.
She screwed that up.